Welcome to another episode of Fueling the Dream here at Creative Works Farm, the proud home of Camp Light. As you can see, the R&L crew is continuing forming up the remainder of the back wall and the end wall and getting it ready to pour. So as you can see, there's a lot of steel in the structure, which is making it an extremely strong foundation, which will make a great storm shelter for emergencies during camp. We'll have a place to go in case there's weather where we need to be sheltered. So the rest of this week we'll be working on roughing the plumbing for the basement floor, get that done and inspected. If the weather is warm enough, they'll come and spray the outside of the foundation so that we can run the drain tile and Raymond can start backfilling. There'll be a lot of gravel around this to help the foundation drain really well. And then in a couple weeks, probably the first week in March, we're going to do a contractor day with the Metwood Company, and I believe some of the Builders First Source and some local contractors are going to come out and help put the pan system in that is going to be the floor system on the first floor, because it will be poured concrete as well. And then on top of that, we'll do conventional framing. So you can see here they have their outside walk board set up, and for safety to walk around on while they're pouring the walls. And the pump truck will show up here in just a minute. I can't remember the boom reach on that. I think it's about 80 feet or so. But if you ever watch one of them clean one of those out, they take a big foam ball and suck it backwards through it to clean the actual pipe in the chute out, which is pretty neat. And if that's the right truck, that truck actually has fuel in the outriggers, so it actually has fuel tanks inside the outriggers of the boom truck. I think that's pretty cool. They also take a vibrator and stick down the walls to get any of the air pockets out. So here it is, all stripped out and ready to go. So it's 40 by 120, so it's a 4,800 square foot basement. As you can see, it's the back double door with windows there, and then we'll have a bathroom roughed in over here to the left. A center pier footers for the beams and beam posts that go up for the upstairs. And over here, through the door in the front, this will actually be underneath the front porch. So that is a 20 by 40. So it's 800 square feet under the porch that we can use for storage, which will be great for, just the dining hall. But then when we go to overnight stays, it'll add all that extra space to store any kind of equipment and things we use for camp. And then on your left side down here in the basement's where we're going to put the bowling lanes. And then we'll also have games, probably ping pong and air hockey and different things down here as part of the rec area with the bowling alley. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe and help us grow our channel. Also, go to our website where you can learn more about how you can support Camp Light.